Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add in a camera, like a fake camera movement to your videos on CapCut PC. So first I will be selecting a video. I'm just going to select this one and I want to extract her face. I'm just going to go to the part where she's already showing it. Then I'm going to scroll down and go to camera tracking. This is a pro feature. Select the face and I'm going to select the start button and I'm just going to let it track it. And I know there's going to be some weird areas here, so just scroll down and select fit to canvas. It's going to be super zoomed in though. And you can also lock the object size, I guess. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!